Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy M35. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now click here on AI assistant and then you can click back and click start. And here is your Chat GPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.